On this video, we will demonstrate how to install and remove the Knox weather shield. The weather shield adds an extra measure of protection to the recessed locking bolt head of the FDC lock, the standpipe lock, and the stores lock. It prevents ice buildup and protects the bolt head from foreign debris. It's an option that is useful in cold weather environments. Weather shields are shipped with each product along with the installation instructions. The FDC lock, standpipe lock, and stores lock are all shipped in the locked position. You will need to unlock each product using the Knox FDC wrench before installation. Simply insert the FDC wrench and turn counterclockwise until it stops. Installation using the Knox FDC lock to demonstrate. Ensure that the FDC lock has been correctly installed and locked with the FDC wrench. If you have questions, refer to the instructions for the product being installed. With the cap installed, you're ready to install the weather shield. Inspect lock head and, if necessary, remove any debris. Press the weather shield firmly into the lock head, recess by hand with the Knox K symbol facing out until flush with face of the Knox FDC lock. Removal. Insert a flathead screwdriver or similar tool through the slot located on the left side of the depressed Knox K symbol. Pry the screwdriver to the right-hand side to eject the weather shield from the hole. Release shield completely with the screwdriver. The weather shield will come out smooth and remain attached to the screwdriver. If you have any difficulties with the installation or did not receive a Knox weather shield with your product, contact Knox at 800-552-5669. To learn more about the Knox products, visit knoxbox.com.